Hi everyone, this is Roshni. You may be thinking, what's happening in a beauty YouTube channel? Today I will prepare a drink using coconut water. The coconut trees which you see are of my garden. Just thought of sharing something with you, also I shared it. The total video is done from my roof. You know, coconut water reduces wrinkle and fine lines, improves skin hydration, increases collagen production and gives the skin a remarkable glow. First, I have taken out green coconut. It also contains antimicrobial properties which fights against scalp infection. It also trims frizzy hair and reduces hair fall. Then I will take out its water. See. And I have taken 6 pieces of almonds, 2 pieces walnuts and 3 pieces of dry dates. Dates contain nutrients that increases the strength of hair oil and skin tissues, which results in more soft and smoothness. The antioxidant present in dates keeps the skin and hair in check and delays the appearance of any sort of flaws. Now I will keep them soaked in water for 1 hour. See, after 1 hour you can see everything is soaked. Now I will peel the nuts off and I will take out the seed of dates. At first I will pour the green coconut water and then I will pour the rest of all. See, wow, like milk. It is so tasty. Drink it 3 days in a week. You can mix black pepper, but I personally don't like to mix anything. Believe me, it is very tasty, beneficial for both skin and hair. You can see the magic just 1 week. I have mixed just a little bit of saffron, but it's optional. Obviously make and drink it for sure. Personally, I prefer to consume it to apply. Don't forget like, share and subscribe, and always check my description box. There I have given the links of my social handles. I share small videos there. Always be well. Take care. Bye.